Hello, Ray. For today's goal number 3, we are going to be working on a frequency table. Your worksheet should look like this. It's named Superheroes. So let's see. We have Superman, Batman, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Wolfman. Number 1, use the tally data to complete the following data table. So Superman, how many Supermans do we have? We have to count them and put your number right here. The same for Batman, Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Wolfman. Number 2, what is the most favorite superhero? Go back to your chart and check which one has more tallies. Is it Batman, Iron Man, Spider-Man? We have to count them and mark your answer. Number 3, how many more students favored Batman over Wolfman? Number 4, how many more students favored Spider-Man over Superman? Go back to your chart and mark your answer. And number 5, how many students were asked about their favorite superhero? So this is going to be your assignment for goal number 3. For goal number 4, by the end of 9 instructional weeks, Reynaldo will identify the names and values of all coins: quarter, nickel, dime, and penny. Dollar bills: $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100. So for your assignment, it should look like this. This is your second worksheet for IEP goal number 4. Color the coins the correct color and then count them. So first we're going to color the coins and then we're going to count them. So what do we have here? Quarters are going to be red. Dimes are going to be blue. Nickels, green. And your pennies go orange. So you need to grab some colors: red, blue, green, and orange. So let's see. First, locate all your quarters. So get your red color and locate your quarters. I'm seeing one. I'm going to help you with this one. This is a quarter. This should go red. Let's color it red. A red quarter. Locate all your other quarters, color them red. And then, how many quarters do we have? Do you have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters? How many? Write your answer right here. For the dimes, exactly the same thing. Get your blue color, look for the dimes, color them blue, and then count them. How many dimes do we have? You're going to do the same thing for nickels and pennies. And this is it for goal number 3 and goal number 4.